Hey YouTube, welcome to our beauty room. Come on in. So here it is. Here is our beauty room. It's actually our bedroom. It's a beauty room, but our beds are in it. So it's a beauty room bedroom. You guys have been asking for this video for a while to show you guys our makeup collection, and I mean, compared to our last makeup collection video that we did, it has grown so much, and it mostly has gotten bigger because we just added a lot of skincare into it. So now we have like a makeup skincare collection. So we're just gonna get started. Let's just get started. You guys have been waiting for this, so let's start over here. So starting off over here, this is our first acrylic drawer set. We have 2 of these, and these are by Beautify from Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. And starting on the top, this is our Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. I love this. This is such a collectible piece. It's something that will be irrelevant next year because it is a calendar for 2018 as well as a palette, but it's just one of those things that it's just like it'll only exist one time. It's limited edition, and we really loved it. The boss lady theme, and then it's like a beauty agenda. This is a little faux plant from Target, and we like to keep some of the cute packaging we have. This one is from Beauty Bakery, the flower powder, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a little lens for our phone. So the top part of the set is not a drawer, it's actually like a lift thingy. So we try not to put like important things in here because it is hard to access. We just kept one of our really cute ColourPop packaging I guess, and that's on top. It's a record player. This is from the ColourPop Christmas collection, probably 2017, 2016, one of those years, I can't remember. But the first drawer that pulls out is all bronzers, setting powders, and contour things. We've got a few of the favorites. Kat Von D Shade and Lights. We've got some things that I don't use that often, but I like to keep ColourPop pressed powder. This is their very first one that they came out with. You know, little things, Makeup Forever, Fenty, Beauty Bakery. So that is that drawer. Second drawer is all highlighters and blush. And this is highlight palettes. This is small compact. This is blush palettes, little tubes and sticks like this from Milk Makeup. Little Fenty Beauty highlighter. We've also got some e.l.f. blush palette. One of my favorites, really affordable. We've got the Anastasia Glow Kits. We've got this one that I don't use that often, but I really love. It's the ColourPop Gimme More highlighter palette. One of my favorites. Got some Kylie, NYX. I'm not going to show you guys everything, but that is pretty much it. Some loose powder. This is a little loose highlighter powder. And that is it for that drawer. Next drawer is all lashes. We are obsessed with Demi Wispies. Demi Wispy lashes, all of that, all good stuff. This, we have some regular Wispies. We've got some more Wispies. Ardell, Faux Mink. We've got some e.l.f. in here, some old lashes. But you know, you can revamp lashes. You don't really have to throw them away. Got some lash glues in here. Little lash tweezers in here. The drawer is kind of a mess. It gets messy, but yeah, that's that drawer. This one is all concealers and contour kits, cream contour kits. We've got some little puffs, little sponge puffs. This drawer is a little miscellaneous. We've got some random brow products in here too. We keep some brow products, but yeah, and some tape. But in here, yeah, we do have a lot of concealers, color correctors. You guys know we live for the ColourPop concealers. My all-time favorite concealer. We've got some black opal. We have some Tarte Reinforce of the Sea. Haven't used this in a while. I should probably pull this out and try this again. It's pretty good. The famous Age Rewind. And here is a really old palette. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. Super old, but it's got some good shades in it. Some good color correcting shades. Good contour shades down below. And the very last drawer, which is also another favorite. This is all eyeshadow palettes, mini eyeshadow palettes. We have little individual compacts like this MAC one. ColourPop, we've got tons of these. These are all like eye shimmers, tubes, tiny palettes, things like that. Here is a little NYX Love in Paris. We don't need to open that, okay? We've got these little e.l.f. palettes, which I honestly forgot about. I have 4 of these. These are quite pretty, actually. Like this one, these are little cute travel palettes. We have some liquid shimmers, like these ones from Stila that were super popular at one point. I also have some other liquid ones. These are e.l.f. Really nice as well. Black Beauty Book from e.l.f. Literally like my first eyeshadow palette ever. And more ColourPop individuals. We've got little Too Faced palettes in there as well. But let's move on. Moving on to over here on top, we keep all of our foundations. Surprisingly, we do not have that many foundations. Once I find a good one, I just like to stick with it. But we do have some that we keep around. Some Fenty, Marc Jacobs, which I'm not a huge fan of, by the way, but Kat Von D, Black Opal, Maybelline, more Fenty, L'Oreal Infallible. Down here is literally just a drawer of miscellaneous things. Tweezers, black eyeliner, which I forgot about. I need to use this. I've been looking for some black eyeliner. Little extra puffs, tweezers, random stuff. And by the way, these acrylic drawers are from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They carry them. You can find them every once in a while. They're really good. And these are actually 2 drawer sets that we just stacked on top of each other. Let's move on to this one. This one is all glitter. This one is all glitter. It's so pretty. This is for our Halloween makeup looks that we do in our channel sometimes, or just when we need to add a little glitter to our eyes. This is really fun to play with every once in a while. Little rhinestones. But this drawer hardly gets touched. Hardly. This drawer is also more miscellaneous things, little lip crayons, samples, lip scrub. This one is little samples. This is a primer, little face lotion. Moving on to brushes. Our little brush collection. We have a mixture of e.l.f., Sigma, we have Kylie, we have, oh gosh, a bunch of random brushes. Real Techniques, It Cosmetics, Bella Beauty, Ulta brushes, random brushes. Sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see so far, be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, and weekly vlogs go up on Sunday, all at 9:30 a.m. But they're all good. Brushes, to me, I'm not too picky on them, so I'm not super picky on the brand. Here's a few lipsticks. These are just a little holder of 9 really pretty lipsticks that you don't wear that often, but I really should. This is from Buxom. I have 2 of those Buxom ones. Nice shades. And we've got some e.l.f. ones. NYX. Moving on to this little organizer. All of these organizers are from Marshalls, TJ Maxx as well. The only really big ones that we order offline are the 2 Beautify ones, but the rest of them you can just find at like those TJX stores. This one is a little tri holder 3. This one we just keep some mascaras, eyeliners, brow pencil. This one has a little sponge that we never use. Lip products, and this one random miscellaneous stuff. Moving on to up here, this is a little candle jar holder. When you run out of your candle wax and your candles that you buy at the store, I always rinse them out, use them as little holders. They're really cute, inexpensive, great way to recycle. These are just face sponges, keep them all in here. This is a little kabuki brush that I use every once in a while. Fenty Beauty matchsticks, which I love. I use these all the time, if not every day. This is a few mascaras that we have here. Some of the favorites. And here is jam packed with a bunch of random things like eye pencils. We've got lip glosses, we've got lip liners, we've got little lipstick tubes, Too Faced, Elf, Fenty Beauty. Like, it's just so random. MAC, Maybelline, like it's everywhere. This is really stuffed. I really need to get like another organizer for it. This is a little Stila eyeliner. We've got this really cute little jar, another candle jar. And here we keep these really pretty brushes from Sonia Kashuk. Get these at Target, really good brush brand, makeup brand for like the drugstore. Here we've got some little empty boxes that our Sigma brushes came in. MAC lip liners. This little stand right here, I've had this for years. I don't even remember where it's from. It's probably from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's actually a jewelry box holder. Inside the lid flips up. Believe me, it flips up. And we just keep like old jewelry in here that we don't really access. And that's it for like the makeup portion. Everything else is pretty much palettes, lipsticks, skincare, which Angelique will now take over and show you guys. Alright, so over here we have the same acrylic drawer that we held our makeup in, but this one has all skincare. Yes, all skincare. And then on the bottom we have some bags that we use for travel to carry our makeup and products in. Let me start off with the top. The top, we basically just keep Glam Glow packaging. We love Glam Glow. It's one of our favorite skincare brands. And we just have all the packaging from the Flash Muds to the Dream Duos. And we have the Sonic collab that Glam Glow did. We have some Power Muds, some Super Muds. We also have 2 of these Glam Glows Power Cleanse cleansers. These are honestly just empty. These are just the packaging of it, but we love Glam Glow packaging, so it's super cute and we like to keep it as part of our decor. So in here we have all of our Glam Glow products. Like I mentioned before, we love Glam Glow. Their packaging is super cute, so we like to keep this in the front of the acrylic organizer as decoration. And then in here we also have our mask tools. I know it's hard to see, but in the back we have our brush refine tools from e.l.f. We have some Basquiat detox masks. And here we also have some more masks. We have a bunch of sheet masks. We have some Glam Glow samples. We have some Clearasil Vanish acne cream. We also have like some liquid masks, some mud masks, some peel off masks. Okay, so we don't have enough drawers for each skincare product to have its own, so some drawers we combine some stuff. And here we have our Milk makeup products, which are basically empty. Unfortunately, we really love these. We also have some primers. So this is Fenty Beauty. We have some Basquiat. We have Smashbox. More Milk makeup. Some Benefits primers, and so on. We also have some eye primers, some SPF from Basquiat, which is sunscreen. And yeah, so this is basically just primers in this drawer. Skin prep. Okay, in this drawer we have basically setting sprays, face mists, that sort of thing, and one toner. We have some Heritage Store Rose Water, which I really love. Of course, we have some MAC Fix Plus, which is a staple. And then we have some e.l.f. Primer Mist, some Urban Decay All-Nighters. We have 2. We get the travel size ones because they're just more efficient to us. We also have some NYX matte finish setting spray, whatever. Next drawer we have some cotton rounds. Obsessed with these, cannot live without. These just make skincare so much easier. We love the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. We are always stocked on that. We have some Olay moisturizer, sunscreen. We also have some aloe and hyaluronic acid face serum. Love this stuff. Also love this vitamin C oil. And then we just keep some Milk makeup packaging. I actually love to keep these because for travel they're really great to hold like bobby pins and Q-tips and stuff because they have a lid and they're a really nice size, so that's why we keep these around. Okay, last drawer. And here we just keep little makeup bags, little purses to hold makeup and little products. This one is from New York Fashion Week from Maybelline. We have Milk makeup. Some more of these little colorful ones. This one is so cute. This is from Too Faced. Love, 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 love this one. Some of these are actual brush holders. Like you can stick your brushes in here. So that's pretty cute. And yeah, that's basically what this drawer consists of. Just bags and more bags. Okay, up here really quick we have our oil diffusers. We have some oval face brushes, some oils, room sprays. Love to keep my room smelling really good. So that's what we have up here, no makeup. Okay, so over here we have all of our liquid lipsticks. So in the back we have a lot of ColourPop. This entire row right here is Kylie Cosmetics. We have some e.l.f., we have some Fenty Beauty, we have some Too Faced, ColourPop. We have the mini ones in the front with one little Sephora one. So here is basically just all liquid lipsticks. Moving over to eyeshadow palettes, we have pretty much this is like our big palettes. So in the front we have Juvia Place Magic Palettes. We have, we keep these little Kylie Cosmetics and Tarte note cards because they're great for fanning your face after you set it. We have the Tarte palettes. We have Fenty Beauty palettes. We have a lot of Morphe ones, which we love, and they're great if you're doing like freelance makeup. We have some more Kylie Cosmetics. We also have the Carly Bible palettes. This is the Boss Lady Agenda. This is what it came with. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. Super cute, and I believe the notebook is in here, the palettes and everything. We have another Kylie Cosmetic. This is the Royal Peach. And then in the back we have another Carly Bible. And then in the very back we have this giant e.l.f. one that has like a bunch of colors. And I believe that is it for our palettes. And then down here we have our perfume collection. I am obsessed with fragrances. We have some Queen Latifah back here. Love that one. Some of these are really old. Some of them were my mom's, so we kept those. And then we have Harajuku Barbie, Nicki Minaj, Pink Friday, Moschino. We have 3 of those back there. Love their fragrances. Jordan Sparks. I love her fragrance. It smells so good. Another Harajuku Barbie. This is a Katy Perry one. We have this Moschino one, which is my favorite probably right now. It's fresh. It looks like a Windex bottle, but it's actually a perfume. And yeah, that's pretty much it for our perfume collection. Of course we have body sprays, but this is more of our luxurious perfumes. So really fast, I just want to let you guys know where all of our furniture and lighting is from. This whole dresser set and mirror is from Rooms to Go. And up here, these lights that are really cool. They're controlled by a switch. They move up and down, side to side. These are all from IKEA. These 2 floating shelves are also from IKEA. And this long bookshelf with the floating shelves are also from IKEA. Hey guys, that is our makeup collection, our updated makeup collection and skincare. Yes. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We also have an active giveaway going on right now on our channel, so make sure you check the description box for information on that. Also, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.